seem like the type to love and leave 'em and disappear right after the song. So give me the night to show you and hold you. Don't leave me out here dancing alone.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Vijayendra Rahayu. This time, it's really nice to share a little bit with you all here. Let's just think for a moment. Lately, we've been super busy at campus with excitement, exams, and all sorts of organization. It feels like almost every day there's something to choose. But in the middle of all that busyness, have we ever really paid attention to how I'm doing? Well, today I want to invite you to talk a little bit about something just as important as a high GPA, which is our mental health as students. This isn't just about feeling down or normal stress, but it's something that's the base for everything we do at campus and outside of it. So there are four main things I want to talk about today. First, it's more than just grades. Why is mental health really important? Second, we'll look at what are some of the things that make students' minds feel uneasy. Third, we'll discuss the negative effects if we ignore our mental health. And finally, fourth, we talk about what can we do to stay mentally healthy on campus. Okay, first point, more than just grades. Why is mental health really important? Imagine this: if we want to build our dream house, the foundation has to be strong, right? Well, mental health is like the foundation for us students. If the foundation is shaky, then our dream house can also crack. Having good mental health really affects many things like, first, academics. Our brain needs to be in a fresh condition to take in lesson, focus in class, especially when we are working on assessments that make our heads feel like they're smoking. And if our mind is doing well, it's also hard to concentrate. Second, social life. Being a student is also about meeting a lot of people and building relationships. If our mental state isn't fit, we tend to want to be alone, so it's also hard to enjoy the fun campus life. Third, psychical health. It's strange but true. Our mind and body are really concentrated. If we have a lot on our mind, often our body also starts to feel unwell. It's hard to sleep if our stomach feels uncomfortable. Fourth, future. Our experience at campus set us for future jobs. If we can take care of our mental health from now on, we'll be more ready to face challenges in the future. Okay, second point. What are some of the things that make students' minds feel uneasy? Where? Okay, we all have our own stories and challenges, but there are some things that often make students' minds feel not so calm, like first, academic pressure. Lots of assessment deadlines filling up, high expectation for grades, and not to mention if there's a really strict professor. This can be very stressful. Second, transition period. Just starting university, being far from home, having to get used to a new environment and new friends isn't always easy. Third, many matters. Thinking about tuition fees, there are many, and also wanting to buy things like our friends. This can also become a burden on our minds. Fourth, social issue. Sometimes there's drama with friends. It's hard to find the right group of friends, or we might even feel lonely in the middle of a busy campus. 5. The online board. Scrolling through social media without stopping, looking at other people's lives that seem perfect, and then ending up feeling insecure ourselves. And the sixth, life balance. We want everything to go well, good grades, being active in organization, and also hang out. But if we are not good at manage our time, we can end up mentally and exhausted. Okay, third point, the negative effects if we ignore our mental health. We really shouldn't underestimate mental health problems. If we just let them go on, the effects can be quite serious, like first, bad academic performance. It becomes hard to focus. We don't feel like doing anything. We often skip classes, and of course, our grades can become a mess. Second, withdrawing from others. We lost the energy to meet people. We just want to stay in our room. And after a while, we can really lonely. Third, our body also gets sick. Long-lasting stress can cause headaches, stomach, trouble sleeping, and even weaken our immune system. Fourth, higher risks. Sadly, if it gets really bad and isn't taken care of, mental health problems can increase the risk of behaviors that can harm ourselves. Okay, fourth point. So, what can we actually do to stay mentally healthy on campus? There are many things we can do, but for ourselves and for our friends, such as first, be more caring and open. If someone looks different, try to talk to them. Don't immediately judge, just listen first. Second, use campus service. Usually, campus have counseling service. Don't be embarrassed to seek help if you feel you need it. I think of it like going to the doctor. when your body doesn't feel well. Third, mention a healthy lifestyle. Getting enough sleep, eating properly, and exercising regularly stressing have a big impact on our mood. Fourth, be wise with social media. Don't compare yourself to other people's highlights on social media. Remember, everyone has their own struggle. 5. Find positive activities. Join communities we like, find new hobbies, or just hang out with positive friends and have refresh for our minds. And 6. Learn to manage stress. Everyone has their own way. You like listening to music, some like to talk about their problems, some find meditation helpful. Find the voice that works best for you. Okay everyone, this conclusion, please look at the pictures. Okay, friends, this college time is indeed full of challenges, but it's also full of opportunities for us to grow. Mental health isn't something we should be ashamed of. It's actually a very important tool for us to get through all of this well. Let's become a community that cares about each other, supports each other, and doesn't hesitate to seek help if we need, just like in this picture. Okay friends, remember, we are not alone. Let's take care of ourselves and take care of our friends. Hopefully, we can all seek success on campus and always have good mental health. Okay everyone, thank you for listening. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.